This being human is a guest house. Every breath, a new arrival. A joy, a depression, some momentary awareness comes as an unexpected visitor. Welcome and entertain them all, my friends, even if they're a crowd of sorrows who violently sweep your house empty of its furniture. Still treat each guest honourably. He may be clearing you out for some new delight. The dark thought, the shame, the malice, meet them at your door laughing and invite them in. Be grateful for whoever comes, because each has been sent as a guide from beyond. Rumi.